The STI has generated a 1.1% decline in total return in 2Q25 through to May 7th. Over the period, institutions net bought 92 million Singapore dollars in stocks, while retail investors net bought 904 million Singapore dollars in stocks. Among the 100 most traded stocks in 2025, 10 stocks bucked the declines with double-digit percentage returns. These 10 stocks included CNMC Goldmine, Food Empire, Shang Xiang, Singtel, Hong Kong Land, ST Engineering, Fraser's Hospitality Trust, Geo Energy Resources, Jardine Matheson and Top Glove Corp BHD. The 10 stocks averaged 14% total return, doubling their average 2025 to May 7th total return to 28%. The next tranche of the 10 best-performing stocks over the period, with an average total return of 6%, spans 8 sectors. Following downward revisions to global growth, investors look to resilient economies with robust domestic demand or forward-looking policies to navigate global uncertainties and seize opportunities ahead. Scan or click the link in the description to learn more about these stocks or join SGX Invest on Telegram for the latest news update. Please note this is a general commentary of historical performance and not necessarily indicative of future performance. Check out our investment courses that are up to 70% subsidized at cyberquote.com/sg or contact us at support@cyberquote.com.sg.